Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I'm going to be showing you the newest stamp set. This is the strips, and we're going to be using it with the Catching Snow, and we're going to be using the Warm Wishes. So you're going to be needing a green and a red card ink, along with some cards that are going to be white and red. And we're going to do this right here, and then you need some black for this. Let's get started. I'm going to protect my surface with a piece of acetate, but you can still see what we're doing. And we're going to begin by stamping the red. So I really want to be sure that you guys have some baby wipes, just because it can get a little bit messy, but this is a super easy way to mass produce your Christmas cards with this beautiful stamp set. Okay, so once we've inked up this, we're going to think about where we're going to place it. So I really want to do some angles on this. And so we're going to stamp, and I'm going to hold just for a couple seconds so I have a nice and clear, crisp image. And look how pretty that is. It's going to be super easy to make these Christmas cards and to change out the colors. So this plaid is absolutely stunning. Then we're going to do the next strip, just leaving enough room for my sentiments. I'm going to grab my baby wipe, as I had mentioned earlier. We're going to wipe that off, and we're going to bring in that eucalyptus, which is just a olivey green. So we're going to make sure that it is completely clean. You can dry it up, and then we're going to bring it back. So you can do ink pad to, stamp to ink pad, or the other way around, whichever you prefer. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all based on preference. Okay, we're going to bring this back down, and we're going to stamp, and again we're going to hold it for a couple minutes or for a couple seconds, just to make sure we get a nice clear and crisp image, and we sure do. And I just absolutely love easy one layer Christmas cards, and the reason for that is that you don't have to pay extra postage when you are sending this, and if you're sending stuff abroad, it makes it even easier. So I'm gonna do that last one, and now we have a beautiful, I'm gonna actually come in and stamp just one more red right there, just so it finishes it off. It's just a little bit cleaner. Now I'm just going to be doing that center. We don't have to do it all the way through. And this is why you protect your surface. That way you can just go ahead and grab your baby wipe and wipe it down. I'm going to set these things aside, and we're going to move on to our sentiment. So the sentiment, again, is from the Catching Snow stamp set. And this is designed, illustrated by Lisa Glangs. And we're going to ink this up, and I'm just using black ink. It would be really pretty to come in with some heat embossing. And then we're going to stamp this down, slightly overlapping and coming into that red. And we're going to rock it back and forth and make sure that we get this nice and solid image. And there you have it, guys. Super easy. Now we're just going to go ahead and assemble the card. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our roller, the snail of our adhesive, and placing it. This is a little bit of a longer card, just because I really wanted to show off the beautiful stamps. And then you can just go ahead and embellish. I'm going to add a little bit of a Nuvo. And I'm going to add one big drop. And when this dries, it's going to be absolutely stunning. And we're adding that in twos. And guys, super easy way to mass produce your Christmas card. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Crystal Thompson for Unity with the newest release of the Ann Butler strips. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.